Hey everyone, Graham here. Today I'm breaking down an incredible new offer from Amex Canada that's live right now and seriously worth looking into. The updated welcome offer for the Amex Platinum card. This is one of the best welcome offers Amex Canada has ever rolled out, and it's only available until January 28th, 2025. So if you're thinking about getting this card, now might be the perfect time. So what's new in this offer? Let's talk numbers. Previously, you could earn up to 100,000 welcome membership rewards points with the Amex Platinum card, but Amex has now upped that to an impressive 140,000 points. To put that into perspective, when I first got my Platinum card a few years back, the welcome offer was just 80,000 points, and I thought that was great. So this new offer, it's huge. I have a referral link for this exact offer down below. If you decide to apply, it costs nothing to you and it really helps me out. I appreciate you. Here's the breakdown on how you earn this welcome bonus. You get the first 100,000 points when you spend 10,000 Canadian on the card within the first 3 months of owning it. Then you get an additional 40,000 points when you make one additional purchases between months 14 and 17 of owning it. To get the full 140,000 points, you'll need to keep the card for 2 years. But if you're making the most of the perks and benefits and points, I think it's well worth the 2 annual fees. Let's look at how this card can bring you way more than that in value. So how do you make back the $799 annual fee? Well, this card comes packed with benefits, and if you use them well, the perks can far outweigh the fee. You could convert those 140,000 welcome points into a $1,400 statement credit, but honestly, I would not recommend this. Membership rewards points are best used for travel to unlock way more value than a cash redemption. Pro tip, transfer your points to Air Canada Aeroplan, British Airways Avios, or Air France KLM Flying Blue and book a long-haul lie-flat seat. You could fly business class to Europe or Asia with 140,000 membership rewards points, and the value of those tickets far exceeds the annual fee cost. The Amex Platinum card has the most extensive network of airport lounges available, giving you free access to their Centurion lounges, Plaza Premium lounges, Delta Sky Clubs, and many more through the free priority pass that comes with your card. Plus, almost all of these lounges allow you to bring one guest at no extra charge. If you travel with a partner or friend often, this effectively doubles the lounge value you're getting. If you do decide to get this card, you should really check out the last video I made detailing exactly how to utilize all these perks. The Amex Platinum has a $200 annual dining credit, and here's a clever hack for maximizing it. The $200 dining credit is based off the calendar year, so if you apply before January 1st, you could potentially use the credit twice in the first few months. Use it once before the end of 2024 and then again in 2025. This is how it works. You just have to register for the credit through the Amex app or website and then use it at a participating Canadian restaurant and make sure the bill is over $200 Canadian. This includes tax and tip. You'll get a $200 credit right back on your account. There is also a $200 annual travel credit, and this travel credit works a little differently. You'll get one $200 credit upon approval and then additional $200 credits each time you renew the card. It can only be used on the Amex travel portal for travel expenses like flights, hotels, car rentals, things like that. It's easy to apply towards any trip you're planning. There's also Amex Offers, which is one of the most underrated perks of the Platinum card. These are unique discounts and promotions at various retailers, hotels, and services. Since I got my Platinum card in 2022, I've saved $554.99 through Amex Offers alone. Discounts vary typically from 20 to 50% off, with the occasional offer that is completely free. A few of my recent discounts have been on Disney Plus, Marriott Hotels, Travel Pro suitcases, TSN subscriptions, Lululemon, and Reigning Champ. Pro tip, register for these offers as soon as you see them, as some are limited quantity. They expire as well, so it's a good habit to check your offers regularly. If you're planning any hotel stays, take advantage of the automatic gold status with Hilton and Marriott. You can sign up for both of these programs online completely free, then link them to your Amex Platinum and you're set. The value here varies by trip, but in my experience, you can get some fantastic deals. At the Conrad Bangkok, I enjoyed one of the best breakfast buffets I've ever had, free every morning thanks to my Hilton Gold status, and I got an upgrade to a junior suite at the JW Marriott Muscat thanks to Marriott Gold status. These status offer more perks outside of North America where fewer travelers have status, so you're more likely to get upgrades and extra benefits if you're traveling internationally. Still, it's definitely better to have than nothing. Now let's talk about points multipliers. The Amex Platinum isn't primarily a points earner, but it does offer 2x points on food, which is groceries, restaurants, food delivery, and also 2x on travel purchases. If earning points is your top priority, consider pairing this with an Amex Cobalt card or maybe a Scotia Amex Gold. Both offer much better multipliers on your spend. But between the perks, welcome bonus, and lounge access, the Platinum card is in a tier of its own in terms of travel perks. The Amex Platinum is also known for its excellent travel insurance. I always book my travel on this card, not just for the points, but for its insurance too. While I haven't had to use it, knock on wood, it gives me some extra peace of mind. Still, I recommend reviewing the terms yourself if travel insurance is a big factor for you. If you have a trusted family member or friend who could also benefit from all the Amex Platinum perks, a supplementary card is a solid option. It costs only $250 a year, much lower than the primary $799 fee, and also allows them to enjoy perks like lounge access and their own priority pass. Here's where it shines for families. With 2 Platinum cards, you get a +1 for each card holder. So if you're a family of 4, that's free lounge access for everyone. It's a great way to extend the card's benefits without the full additional fee. Note you don't get all the perks, you don't get the $200 travel and dining credit, but the extra lounge access can go a long way. If you're looking for some inspiration on how to put those 140,000 membership rewards points to use, check out how I traveled all the way around the world in business class using less than 200,000 points. If you're ready to apply, now is the time to act before the January deadline, and maybe even before that to take advantage of an extra $200 dining credit. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you in the skies.